Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Mint mobile app account online. Firstly, to do so, you will have to go to your Mint mobile app. Once you open the app, you may see the sign in button at the top right corner of your screen. However, before we begin, you have to make sure that you have created an account before. If you haven't, then you may not be able to sign in to your account. Now, you may go to your sign in account, as I said before, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now here, you will have to enter your login credentials, like your phone number at the first text box, and then your password in the second. In any case, if you forget your password, you may tap on the Forgot Password link at the top right corner of your screen. Once you make sure that you filled in your correct login credentials, you may click on the login button to proceed. This is how you may simply log into your Mint mobile app. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.